healthcare, the average cost of a breach is in excess of $10 million now. It's the most expensive industry anywhere in the world, U.S. healthcare, to have a breach. A lot of that is because of the regulatory world we live in. It's class action lawsuits that are driven as a result of breaches. It's a lot of different elements that that result in that. So the cost is quite substantial. From a regulatory perspective, we have HIPAA, and what HIPAA really tells me at the end of the day is that I need to take steps that are reasonable and appropriate for my organization, given the risks involved, to manage the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the information. And what recent history has shown us is that the steps that have been taken traditionally are insufficient to protect that data effectively, right? We have more breaches every year impacting more patients, more patient records. The cost keeps going up. So what's reasonable and appropriate in today's world? Well, what's reasonable and appropriate is different than it was 10 years ago. And what's reasonable and appropriate now is a lot of the concepts that we've been talking about today. And so, but you're also talking about an industry that is slow to change, that has historically underinvested in cybersecurity in particular. And if you have to start with knowing what I have, we may get nowhere because none of them know what they have. So, a lot of challenges, a lot of work to be done in that space in particular.